The Coker DataRise Hospital Quality Benchmarking Dashboard tool allows users to compare their facility against a custom compare group across a quality measure of their choosing to examine optimal scores and identify potential areas of improvement. On the initial CMS benchmarking tab, you're able to adjust the filters at the top to change your specifications. In the top left, we select our CMS quality metric. We have currently selected the mortality rate for heart failure patients. Our next filter allows us to select the facility for which we want to examine our quality measure. Right now, we've selected the University of Colorado Hospital Authority. Our third filter is our compare group, in which we want to measure our facility's score among other facilities within a specific group of our choosing. For now, we've selected national, which includes every facility that has a valid metric within our dataset. Finally, our last filter is year. Below, we're able to see what measure we've selected as well as what facility we're looking at. And below that, we can see cost report data for our chosen facility. Further down, we can see our selected facility score for our chosen quality measure, what percentile it falls in compared to our compare group, as well as the 25th, 50th, and 75th percentiles. Finally, we see where our facility ranks among all facilities with a valid score in that metric. Beneath our scorecards, we have a table that lists all the facilities within the compare group as well as their score. If we scroll down to try and find where our facility is, you'll see that it's highlighted in orange. Additionally, in our box plot on the right, we see the same compare group facilities, as well as our selected facility highlighted in orange. If we wanted to adjust our filters at the top, we would simply click the drop-down filter and then select another metric. Let's jump from heart failure mortality rate to heart attack mortality rate. As we change our metric, you'll see that the data below now changes to be representative of our new quality metric. If you wanted to switch our facility or compare group, we would do the same. Let's switch our compare group from national to state. As you'll see, the number of facilities within this compare group drastically lowers because now, instead of looking at all facilities nationally that have a valid score for this metric, we're looking at all the facilities that are within the same state of our selected facility, in this case, Colorado. If we wanted to change our compare group to custom, you'll notice that the rank and the total facilities disappears. This is due to our selected facility not falling within our selected compare group. To customize our compare group, click the button in the top right to switch to the Custom Select page, where we can change our criteria for facility net patient service, revenue, discharges, FTEs, and beds. If we check our cost report data for University of Colorado, we notice that the FTEs are greater than 7,000, so it is outside of our compare group. If we change this metric to 7,500, we'll now see University of Colorado populate our dashboard. If we click the button in the top right, we can go back to our benchmarking page. This allows you to directly benchmark your facility against a compare group entirely of your choosing. And additionally, there are different tabs at the bottom that display the same metrics in a more tabular view. If we click our All Metrics page, you'll notice that the different metrics are laid out with different measure groupings, and these directly correspond to the CMS star rating metrics, as well as what metrics from the CMS quality data directly goes into that calculation. You're directly able to see your score, facility percentile, the 25th through 75th percentiles, as well as your rank and the number of facilities that fall within that metric. Our next page has a similar view. However, it displays the measure score, the national average, standard deviation, the Z-score, and then again your percentile. However, the years are now overlaid on the left-hand side, and you can scroll through to directly see how you compare across the years. On the next page, Star Ratings Yearly is a direct comparison between the current year and last year, including your variance within your score to the national mean, as well as how you're trending over the past 2 years, the national trend over the past 2 years, and where your trend compares to the national trend. The last view is a direct view comparison between your percentile within each metric. Thus, you can see your facility's measure percentile among the national in 2021, 2022, and 2023. And each year, the ratings will update retroactively with the New Year's data. So, as we head into 2026, this metric for 2025 will adjust to 2026, and the lower metrics will cascade below, and you're able to directly compare your percentile variance among the past 2 years. The last tab gives a detailed description in terms of where all these data sources are coming from, as well as links to the specific reports coming straight out of CMS.